Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello, my name is Phakamami Thembala. I go by the brand of Pakx the Carter. We started our brand back in 2017 here in Kukuletu. I started the business because I saw a space or an opportunity of creating my own thing. You know, out of an African prints. I loved African prints. Then I saw that I can create some nice shoes out of those African prints. Our products are shoes. Currently, it's only shoes that we're doing. Our shoes, they are exclusive, of which we do limited edition. So they are unisex. The actual manner that can make you to buy our shoes is that they are locally handmade, handcrafted in the location by a young South African. To get in touch with us, you can check us on Instagram _ Pakx the Carter. You can also WhatsApp us at 073 666 1557. Hi, my name is Phakamami. I am a township entrepreneur.